In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view calendars side by side in Google Calendar. Being able to see multiple calendars at the same time is really helpful if you're managing your own schedule alongside things like a team calendar, a family calendar, or even shared project calendars. Instead of jumping back and forth between different views, you can have them all open together, which makes it much easier to spot conflicts and find free time. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Google lists all the calendars you have access to. You'll usually see sections like My Calendars and Other Calendars, each with a list of calendar names underneath. Next to each calendar name, you'll notice a small colored checkbox. These checkboxes control whether a calendar is visible on your main calendar view. To see calendars side by side, all you need to do is check the boxes for the calendars you want to compare. Start by checking one calendar, like your primary personal calendar. You'll see all of the events appear in the main calendar grid in a specific color. Now, check the box for another calendar, such as a shared work or family calendar. As soon as you click it, that calendar's events will appear on the same grid, but in a different color, right next to the existing events. What you're doing here is layering calendars on top of each other, which effectively lets you view them side by side in the same weekly or daily view. If you prefer a more detailed comparison, switch to the week or day view at the top right of the screen. In these views, overlapping events are easier to see, and each calendar's color coding becomes more useful. If the screen looks too crowded, simply uncheck the box next to any calendar you don't need at the moment. Those events will disappear from the main view, but the calendar itself is still there, ready for you to turn back on whenever you need it. You can also hover over a calendar name on the left and use the color options to change how each one appears. Picking distinct colors makes it much easier to tell calendars apart at a glance. And that's it. By using the checkboxes next to each calendar, you can quickly show or hide multiple calendars and view them side by side in Google Calendar